Alright, so in this video I'm just going to be doing a quick exterior view of the Lenovo Tab M7 3rd Gen. So on the outside here you have a 2 megapixel camera here, speaker here, 7-inch screen here with a 600 by 1024 pixel screen, LED backlit. On the side you have a power button here that has some kind of thing there, and a single strip volume button there. On the top you have a headphone jack, no microphone here. However, on the bottom there is a microphone here and micro USB here. On the side here you have a micro SD card slot here, up to I think 64 or 128 gigabytes. On the back you have a 2 megapixel camera here, the Lenovo logo there obviously, and Dolby audio here for that single little speaker up here. Now just a quick interior view. That's the interior. Yes, these are the exact same tablets, just one has a screen and one doesn't. This one actually does still work, and I took a selfie on it a couple of days ago. But anyway, so that there is the battery kind of amount there. 3.75 amp hours at 3.86 volts. And yeah, a couple of other things inside, like the camera's there and that's there. And yeah, that's pretty much it.